So I use Simple Tools to do my eyebrows. So I have the Morphe M432 flat brush. I don't know if you can see it. The eyeshadow brush to just blend out the concealer. And the two shades I use is, the one is from Sephora, Soft Charcoal. And then I use the Absolute New York, which is from the beauty supply store, in the shade Espresso. So what I'm gonna do is brush my eyebrows up. Take my Clean CoverGirl gel, which goes on clear. Next, I'm gonna take my Super Slim Absolute New York brow pencil. I don't even know if I'm looking at the camera. Y'all gotta bear with me. But I'm taking this and I'm gonna start to sculpt my eyebrows. This is hard, y'all. Now this one is pretty light, so all I'm doing is lining it. Now we're gonna take concealer to clean it up. Bear with me. I like this shade because it's not too dark.
You got the kick.
This is pretty much with this pencil. Then I go and grab my Sephora pencil. Probably you could, if you want like a natural eyebrow, you probably could just use that Absolute New York. I go with the Sephora Soft Charcoal because I want them a little dark. I look crazy right now, but now we about to clean these brows up. I take my NC45 concealer and my Morphe flat brush, and I'm gonna just dip that in there. My setting spray, Urban Decay All Nighter. Just a little bit. Now you can start from the back or you can start from the front. Sometimes I'll be nervous. This is a learning process. I'm really not that good at makeup, but we about to do this.
You got the kick. It's time to blend. I take just a simple eyeshadow brush. I like this one. This one is from Ulta. It came in a kit, but I really like this one.
I don't like my eyebrows boxy, so the front of them, kind of brush it out. You can set your eyebrows with powder or whatever. I'm gonna set mine with a gel. This is the L'Oreal Longwear Top Coat, but it worked. This is clear as well. I just go ahead, put this over my eyebrows, and your eyebrows won't move. They gonna stay, honey. But you probably only need to just put one little coating of it. That's it for my eyebrows. They're not perfect. One gonna look different from the other, but this is how I do my eyebrows.